Yesterday, gold created a strong bullish candle where the price is bouncing from 2550.00, a great support level, which is also a monthly support level. We can see that the price has made a bullish breakout above 2586.24 and it has returned back inside this uptrend channel, where the price is currently making a bullish breakout above 2618.75. We can see that the price yesterday did not make any retrace after reaching this resistance level, which means there is no strong selling pressure here. There is no strong supply zone that could push the price back down. And we can see that the price has managed to go above this confluence of resistance, which is a great information for the bulls, which means currently there is much more strength in the bullish momentum than it is in the bearish momentum. So what do we expect today? Today is very important because the price is in front of the supply zone, which means the price needs to make a bullish breakout and stay above in order to continue to rise in value. Currently, I'm oriented also to move to the upside, because we can see currently the price is making a bullish breakout, and on the lower time frame this is already formed on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, which I have currently shared with the traders inside the Telegram group, where they can also see what is the target. Currently I am expecting the price will try to move out above this area of supply zone, making a bullish breakout, and the first level, what is the first target, will be an area here from 2630 up to here to 633. This is the area, and you can see I already have opened a buy order currently on the lower time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, which is already done and also shared with the traders. So for today, I'm expecting that the price will go up, and then we'll see how the day will close. Will it stay above, or it will be just an attempt to move up and then retrace back down? But currently I am more open to see the price going above. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.